Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that the price has made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider that not that long ago it was down there at its lows, and now all of a sudden after today the price is closed right there, any rational person can say, yeah, the bulls have definitely made a nice bounce. However, this does lead to the valid question though of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right here at $2.15. Why is $2.15 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 215. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it's just, essentially flirted with the lows and now is starting to, get up out of that range. And again, going back to that range is just not a sign of true strength. You don't want to see the price going back. Whereas let's say the price does something like this, bounces around, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows right here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, as $2.15. As far as levels of resistance are concerned next week, pretty straightforward at this point. It's all about that purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. This is, even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of this moving average, and you know that when the price is below it, it does tend to act as resistance. I'm not saying it's impossible to break or anything. I'm just saying that, that will definitely be the key level to watch going into next week as far as resistance levels that you want to break up above. So very interesting setup because, like I said, no doubt about it, the price is bouncing. Now it's just a matter of can the price build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.